Okay, good morning everyone. I am Nazrul Islam here, and today we would like to discuss or may share a very most talked and very important things about the teaching. Teaching in the English secondary schools. Whatever when we talk about the English language learning, especially in the secondary education, we used to talk about the teaching approaches and teaching methods, what should be done, what actually are practicing, and what could be the reform or development in the textbooks, curriculum, etc., etc. But we talked a very few about the challenges and problems from the learner's perspective. We hardly went to the students, those who are learning the secondary level, and we hardly asked them what's your challenge and from which perspectives and from which point you are feeling problems when you are going to learn. So, in our thesis, we would like to go to the children and go to the learners first and ask them what's your challenges actually, from which perspectives, which form you are getting challenges, what could be done, and what could be done. Later, we went to the teachers, those who are teaching in the secondary level, and thereafter we went to the obviously some experts. We used to say them KII, key informative interviews, and we got some very crucial, very important some points and some recommendations also. So in this research, we divided the whole research into basically mixed method research. And we all know that what actually mixed method research. Mixed method research, we know that where the quantitative and qualitative both data were gathered, both are analysis in simultaneously or maybe some different ways, which we'll talk about later on. And finally, they have compiled the both results and went to the common analysis data to find out the result, what actually the problem and what can be done. So both tools, one is that questionnaire, some MCQ types and some written short questions types. So we have got the semi-structured interview questionnaire. And later on we went to the teachers with a structural interview guideline and went to the experts also to follow a structured guideline with the consent form. And at the same time, when we went to the school, we also observed the classrooms. And during the classroom observation, we practiced and used a classroom observation checklist. So we could say we have used 4 types of quantitative data sheet, tools. We will obviously attach the 4 types of tools in the appendix part, and you could see it. So in this analysis,